Alright, I'm going to go ahead and salt the water. I'm going to add my pasta. And I'll be using the thin spaghetti. And it's whole grain. And this is what I'm using. And we're going to cook it to where it's al dente. I'm going to start off with some extra virgin olive oil, and this is some pan spray, great value. I use it often in my videos, and it's good enough for me, so it should be good enough for you. I'm going to be using some wild ocean shrimp, which is the Argentina Reds. And this is what I've been using in a few recipes and what I'm eating. So I'm using that tonight. It's a serving size basically for 1 or 2. I'm single here. It's just me. So I'm not going to cook much because I'm not going to eat much. So I already have them prepped and ready to go. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of chopped oregano and 2 tablespoons of chopped basil. And this is fresh. It's not dry. Once again, this is fresh. And then I'm going to be adding 1 medium to small clove of garlic, because this isn't about the garlic. You don't want the garlic to overpower your Alfredo sauce. So it's probably just, just enough to give it a hint of garlic flavor. This is optional. This is for a bit of heat for you spice lovers. I'm going to add a few slices of fresh jalapeno, and that's for me. You don't have to do it. While this is heating up, I just wanted to share this really quickly. This is your Knorr's. I think the K is silent, so this is your Knorr's shrimp bouillon. You could usually find it in your Hispanic area as far as Walmart. And I'm using half of one of these. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So it's going to be looking like this. And you just want to cut it in half. And just kind of basically dilute it in some water. Which I did. I put it in a measuring cup. And I diluted half of this in a cup of water. I'm going to add some sea salt. Some black pepper for taste. I'm going to add some lime just for some moisture for now. And give them a quick toss. Now is the time that I'm going to push my shrimp to the side. And everything that's in here. Or try to. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then I'm going to add, which is 35 calories, 1 tablespoon of, I can't believe it's not butter, the light one. Now that you see our cornstarch is kind of creamy and broken down, we're going to add our broth that I made, which is the shrimp bouillon cube that I shared with you. This is half of that with just regular water. So this is basically a roux that we're going to be creating. Now that you see everything is basically blended together, we're going to add 1/3 cup of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and we're going to create our Alfredo sauce. Before it's cooked all the way, you could see it's getting creamy. We're going to add our pasta. We're going to toss it up together, and then I'm going to hit it with the lime. You don't want lemon because it's just going to be too overpowering, and this is actually Alfredo, and it may not look like it just because it's whole wheat, but it is what it is. You're not going to notice the color of the Alfredo sauce because it's whole wheat pasta. But I guarantee you, and it's really good. So check it out.